Hello guys, and welcome back to my update on my 72cc Norako kit on the GY6 engine. Fuck. Let's go. So now I'm going to do a 0 to 60 from a standstill. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go, motherfuckers. And now we are at 60 miles per hour. Now I can look up what's happening, my brothers. Now I'm driving at the wrong way. I need to turn around. But I have tried different roller weights with the Norako variator, and I have found out that 6 grams is the perfect ratio, because it revs like crazy with the 5.5 rollers. So, and I have maxed out the Doppler SX86 clutch, and here is a fucking naughty girl. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.